Chapter 4, Section 8, Newton's Method. Example 1. Use Newton's method to find the solution of x cubed minus 2x minus 5. So I'm going to switch to my second camera so I can show you how I did this one. Okay, so I started... so my initial guess was... Mom! Sorry, I don't know what that was about. Anyway, if my initial guess is... Jesus Christ.
What? Who are you? I was sitting here from 3 weeks in the future, and if you don't start taking calculus seriously, the entire human race will be erased from existence.
Okay, how is me caring about calculus gonna change anything?
No, please, you have to trust me.
Yeah,
I'll explain
whatever.
everything.
Yeah, I'm doing this tomorrow. I'm going to sleep.
I've been staring at the blank test before me for what feels like eternity. Always nothing on my mind. I wish the answers someone could inform me, but I look over at his worksheet and it's even blanker than mine. All the dumb mistakes, all the mental math, all the units I forsake, all the times I skip class. Let me down this way, will I get an A? No, I'll take the C. Redesign my whole mind, wait and see. There I'll be, sitting alone, won't touch my phone. And my grade, it will grow by the week, so just watch me. Because I know if I don't start trying, I'm getting rescinded.
Oh, shit.
So I got my friends watching the live stream at home. So who of you has ever been on an airplane before? Yeah, and who has watched the in-flight entertainment? Yeah, like how is it that no matter what I'm watching on my screen, the person next to me's screen is always 10 times more entertaining? Like I could be watching like the Oscars Best Picture, and you'll still catch me glancing at the person next to me's screen. Like they could be watching the Delta in-flight airplane tracker. You know, like the program with the PNG, and then it's moving, and then like it has the wind speed on the bottom, and you know, like the elevation. You know, old people watch it. All right. So who here likes math? So I was out for dinner with my friend at Olive Garden. He's lactose intolerant, and he asked if he could have this spaghetti. Obviously, I know that cheese is a milk derivative, so I said like no, because milk is integrated cheese. Oh, you like that one, huh? So I was solving this problem in class, and this trainer kept telling me X is 10, X is 10. I mean, I thought the same thing, but looking back, she was more like a 4. Why did I get out my inhalo and my calculator when I visited the ocean? Because I thought I heard the sea. When I see an ordered pair in the form of r comma theta, I think, where's Miss Crane? Pull her coordinates. I said, are you serious? Yeah. All right, limit your tongue. She said, you mean L'Hôpital's? My teacher said it should be signed here. I said, are initials okay? Who even listens to the radio anymore? What is going on today?
Scream if you love
AP Calculus Top 10 Bessel Hospital's rule application.
Baby gorilla realizes the significance of oil. I
Integrals on intervals to solve from B to A. Integrate on principles, subtract it FP minus A. FTC, but monopolies I see on every test and day. Cause post Hardy Crane is making AB students have to pray. I got more like this, I store like this. An infinite collection of explore techniques, abhor techniques to integrate a section. I don't contemplate, I just create solutions in my head. Go take AP stats instead. This, that, I got. Tree sub use geometry, Picasso, not Monet. Say I'm dashing through these problem strings, use tree sub all the way. Use right triangles with right angles, remplaçant en français. Yeah, I think I am in 2D space to cartoon like Renee. Just for me it's baked, it's so innate to integrate a curve. But to get a date, to take a break is something round we swerve. Only steps I take are pathways, cause it's blue light that I yearn. But when tree sub fails I'm left so unconcerned. See, use a substitution and your exes go away. Probably not, Calc student, that's not a problem anyway. On her paper, reverse chainer, so I'd call that A for A. To use impudent, Spygate taking every ex's place. See the clocks are ticking, time is slipping, strategy's gone to hell. This a toy to me, and in buzz I keep on playing like it's Adele. Passive Icarus never fell, but that's a notion I don't know well. I still got partial fraction, tricks up, use up, by parts action, watch and witness. Yeah, we just integrate. Reverse product rule, I draw a T to square 2 terms away. UDV. Triangles with right angles, remplaçant en français. Yeah, I think I am in 2D space to cartoon like Renee.
Right, so remplaçant en français, a substitute in French. Pretty self-explanatory because you replace all the X's in trig sub. As for the next line, René Descartes is a famous French mathematician, and he said, I think, therefore I am. That's where Descartoon comes from, because you're thinking in 2D space, because you're doing geometry. But originally, I wanted the beat for this part to go like bitty 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 bitty.
Calc project was due yesterday. I'll just tell my past self to start working on it earlier, and if that doesn't work, I'll just send him to the next universe over. They love math over there.
Well, looks like it's gonna be plan B.
Come down, selector.
Do you want to be in the middle? Okay.
Who's been on an airplane before?
I've been a lot of places all around the world. I've seen a lot of joy and I've seen a lot of pain, but I don't want to write a love song for the world. I just want to write a song about a boy.
Make this up.
Junkies on the corner always calling my name, and the kids on the games. When I saw you getting down, girl, I hope it was you. And when I look into your eyes, I know it's true. I say, hey, I'll be gone today.
Just like
Oh, so, you're going so fast. What? What the?
I started my initial guess
Now I'm not a highly metaphysical man, but I know when the stars